organize outreach based on immediate student needs. One way to do this is to monitor shifts in persistence likelihood to prioritize student engagement efforts. The Civitas Learning Advising Dashboard allows you to consistently monitor all students, easily identify those in immediate need, and better organize proactive outreach. Start your day by using persistence insights, showing a student's likelihood to stay enrolled to identify students needing attention. One way to organize engagement efforts is by prioritizing outreach to students in the moderate, low, and very low buckets. The weekly change in persistence prediction counts can be used to identify students with a significant shift in their persistence scores. Tracking a shift in persistence scores helps catch students who may be in crisis based on changes in behavior and engagement, even if their grades don't show it yet. With dynamic groups, you can monitor specific student populations like transfers or students on academic probation. Dynamic groups also make it easy to keep up with students in each designated category by automatically updating when the student meets certain criteria, allowing you to easily check in on student progress to inform your day's engagement efforts. To watch other videos in this series and learn more about how we can help you deliver proactive student support, visit civitaslearning.com.